Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing the battery to prevent movement and damage. This also lets you inspect the movement without force. Once done, unclip or twist off the glass or dust cover and lay it on a soft cloth so nothing scratches. Make sure you note the order and orientation of the hands and the shaft heights. Take a photo if needed, because proper reassembly depends on restoring that exact stacking and position. You now free the hands by gently prying the minute hand straight up with a tapered puller or thin flat tool under the hub. The hour hand usually follows with light upward pressure, then the second hand if present. Once removed, inspect each hand for bends, warps, or loose hubs. These are the usual causes of rubbing and stoppage. If a hand is bent, lay it on a flat surface and use a fingernail or small pliers to gently realign. Replace any hub that spins freely. You reassemble by seating the hour hand first, pressing evenly to its original height, then the minute hand, and finally the second hand if fitted. Set hands to 12, 0, 0 to confirm alignment before tightening. Insert a fresh battery to test. If hands rub, slightly lift the lower hand or bend the hub by about 1/32 of an inch so clearance is restored. If the movement stalls or the shaft is too short or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.